Hello. Good morning, everybody. Well, gonna see if I could see this. I fully agree. The talking have to stop. Support is truly coming together, even if it's painful to listen. It's more painful to experience. Yeah, you know. People go check out this lady. This is also somebody that talks to the people. More people need to be talking and putting their experiences out there so that others can see and learn from these mistakes so that they won't have to go through them, you know. And this came off of another topic, but as this is more about unity, on social media is the best place we can really truly learn how to use it, how to use our power in numbers. You see, Elon, that's a very good example right now. You see what he did with the thing in Ukraine? All he did was he ran a poll where his millions of people could see and they voted. You see? That's what I'm building to. That's what you need. That's how you use your numbers. That's your power and your unity. All of you come together and it's done in a way as to where here is proof everybody is agreeing with this. They have to act. This is how easy the system is. Every law that the people want changed, they can't change it. But you got to do it in the right way, in your numbers, by using your numbers. That thing with Elon, like I'm saying, that is the best example. Because even when, like, my thing is leading by example, I already know when I go back to Sabre to go into governor, they got their rules and all of that shit set up. I'm not going, nothing that I do is according to how the bastards got it set. Everything that I do is bringing things back to how it originally was done. Before all of their bullshit with papers, diplomas, and all of that, merit. And it's still there today that people can get appointed the job off of that merit, that you have the skills, you have the qualities, you have what it takes to do the job. That's merit. All that merit needs is you got proof, you got the work down, you could prove what you're saying through your work, not just through your words, through your connections that you have, the people that you know. That's merit.